Okay, children. Now, trigonometric ratios on fingers. So, previously what we have done? We have found the trigonometric ratios for 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Now, how to remember these ratios on fingers? Let us see here. Okay. Now, just take your palm, left hand. Just I've placed the left hand on my whiteboard. So this one I'm considering here. So 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So I have taken the on my fingers 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. Now how to find? First of all, let us move to the sine. To find sine, what you have to take here? Under sine theta is equal to I'm writing here under root fingers below, number of fingers below by 2. Okay, this is the problem we are going to do it here. So what is here? Sine theta is equal to fingers below by 2. So here for sine we are moving in this direction. How? First of all, sine 0 degrees. Okay, so just close your sine 0. What are there under root? Fingers below. Any fingers are there below 0? No. 0 by 2. Root 0 is 0 by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is about sine 0. Again I am placing down here. Now after sine 0, sine 30 degrees. 30 degrees, close here. Fingers below. Below how many are there? 1 by 2. Root 1 is 1 by 2. So sine 30 degrees 1 by 2. Now sine 45. So 45 degrees means under root, close 45. Fingers below this side, how much? 2 by 2. Now rationalize the numerator, root 2 into root 2 by root 2. That gives you 2 by 2 root 2. 2 cancel means 1 by root 2. So sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Now coming to sine 60. Sine 60 degrees. 60, close the finger. How many are there below? 3 by 2. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay, sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Now coming to sine, how much? 90 degrees. So root sine it close. How many are there? 4 by 2. Square root of 4 is 2 by 2. That is equal to 1. So sine 90 is 1. Like this, with the fingers we can write down the sine theta values: sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60 and sine 90. So it will be very easy to note down for sine theta for 0, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Now let us see for cos values. Okay, now how to find the cos with the fingers. Okay, now let us see for cos theta. Cos theta is equal to under root fingers above by 2. In sine theta we have seen fingers below and this is fingers above. Now let us take for cos 0 degrees or 0 degrees. Okay, now above, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Root 4 by 2 is equal to, root 4 means square root of 4 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. Okay, now coming to cos 30. Cos 30. Here cos 30 means, close this finger. Above, how many are there? Root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Then cos 45. 45. Above, how many are there? Root 2 by 2. So rationalize the numerator. Root 2 by root 2 to root 2. That gives you root 2 into root 2. 2 by 2 root 2. So 2 cancel. 1 by root 2. So cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Now coming to cos 60 degrees. Close that finger. Cos 60 degrees. Above, how many are there? 1. Root 1 by 2. Root 1 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Then cos 90. So close that. How many fingers are there above? No fingers. Root 0 by 2 is equal to 0 by 2 is equal to 0. So like this we can find cos theta under root fingers above by fingers under root fingers above by 2. Like this you can find cos theta values. For tan theta, so here I am just writing here. For tan theta, how to find here means, tan theta is equal to under root fingers above by under root fingers below. So here one make a point that you make the hand in the reverse direction, and like this, and here from here you have to keep 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Okay, so you solve tan theta using this method. Then you write down the answers. If you get any doubt, just post your doubt in your comment section so that I can give you the solution. Hope you have all understood the trigonometric ratios on fingers. Once again, sin theta is equal to under root fingers below by 2. For cos theta, under root fingers above by 2. For tan theta, under root fingers above by fingers under root fingers below. Okay, so these are the trigonometric ratios on fingers. Okay, so tomorrow or in the next video we are move on to the next exercise of trigonometry. Okay, so dear children, if you like my video, just subscribe, share, and you share these videos to your friends so that I can do more videos on the related topics, whatever you are going to get doubt. Okay, thank you.